In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create new text style in AutoCAD. A well-defined text style keeps your drawings readable, consistent, and on standard. So let's walk through the exact process and talk about what each option really does. Start in any open drawing. You don't need a special file for this. Go to the command line and type Style, or the shortcut ST, then press Enter. This opens the Text Style Manager, which is where all your text appearance settings live. Inside the manager, click New to create a fresh style, and give it a clear, descriptive name. Choose something that tells you its purpose at a glance, like a discipline or scale reference, so you don't have to guess later. Next, pick a font. AutoCAD supports both SHX fonts and TrueType fonts. SHX fonts are lightweight and great for technical clarity and performance, while TrueType fonts, like common system fonts, provide a more polished look and can be useful when matching office standards. If a font isn't present on another machine, AutoCAD will try to substitute it, so choose fonts you know are available in your environment. Set the text height. If you want to control the size of text for each instance or through annotation tools, leave the height at 0. That tells AutoCAD to let you specify height when you place text. If you prefer a fixed size for everything that uses this style, enter a height value here. Keep in mind that a fixed height locks that dimension for any text using the style. Adjust the width factor if needed. A value of 1.0 is normal. Lower values condense the text, higher values stretch it horizontally. Small tweaks like 0.9 or 1.1 can help with fit, but extreme values can hurt legibility and may violate company standards. Set the obliquing angle to control slant. 0 keeps text upright. A small positive angle, such as 15 degrees, creates an italic-like effect slanting to the right. A negative angle slants to the left. Use this sparingly to maintain clarity. When your choices look right, click. Apply to save the settings to the newly created style. Then click Set Current. Setting it current ensures that the next text you create, single line or multi-line, will automatically use this style without extra clicks. That's it. You've created a clean, reusable text style that keeps your drawings consistent. If something doesn't look the way you expect, return to the Text Style Manager. Adjust the font, height, width, or slant, click. Apply again, and keep the style set current. With this workflow, your annotations will be clear, professional, and aligned with your standard every time.